Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can activate voice navigation in Google Maps. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open our Google Maps application. And this is my Google Maps and I'm going to tap on it. And after that, we're going to go to the Google Maps setting. You can click on your profile on the top right. And then you're going to go to the settings. Okay, and you have to scroll down until you find the navigation setting, this one. And here you'll be able to activate the voice navigation. Make sure you have selected unmuted. Okay, and you can choose the volume of the voice navigation. If you want to get louder sound, you just need to select louder. And I'm just going to select normal. And then you can also play the test sound to check it. I'm going to click on this option.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google
Okay.
Maps.
Alright guys, and that's all the way to activate the voice navigation in Google Maps. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.